It's a major Dollar Tree train, our 5th anniversary. So if you want to see who's in this collab, watch this. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room. I am early filming for this Dollar Tree train collab, so I don't have 100% of the details. I do know this is our 5th anniversary. Miss Jackie Russell over at her channel puts it together, and she's invited back everybody who's ever been on this train. Now, some folks aren't available. Other folks, no longer have channels perhaps, or have not really been doing any posting to their channels. But we do have a large group for you. Last I heard, there was about 20 or so out there. I know that's a lot, guys. I know that's a lot of videos to watch and a lot of people to subscribe to and a lot of videos to comment on. But you guys are probably subscribed to all of these folks already because they've been on the train before and a lot of them are regulars. So I don't think it's going to be as cumbersome as it seems like when you're looking at all of these people you've got to subscribe to. You're probably subscribed to 95% of them, if not 100%. So again, with our Dollar Tree collabs, we are all over the country. We want to show you what is at our Dollar Tree that we thought was kind of cute or fun or whatever. Each of us is going to have our own give back. This is something 100% from us to you as a thank you for subscribing. It is not sponsored by YouTube, Dollar Tree, or any of the brands that I may show you. For me, all you have to do in the comments is tell me that you have followed the rules, that you have subscribed to everybody, you've liked and you've commented on all the videos. That's all I need to see. I don't use a secret word because people figure it out and then everybody just uses that secret word and may have never even watched anything. At least when I tell you this, I'm pretty sure you're going to do it. I'll check, but pretty sure you're going to do it. Okay, so 10 items. My items were all $1.50 or $1.25, even some of them. Now, I am filming mine especially early because I'm actually filming this on April 29th. Yeah, so I'm actually filming this on April 29th. And we're not going to be dropping this till May, but the first full week of May where I work, there is an employee appreciation week and we do raffles. So we get donations from the community and because we are a nonprofit, and so we get donations from the community and then we put every employee's name into like a big bowl and then we give away prizes. So it's not like a raffle where they have to pay for anything, even where they get to choose what their prize might be. It's just basically like, we have this person gets it. We have this person gets it. And I was like, you know what? I really don't need anything from the Dollar Tree. Like, we're trying to have less and, because we've been working on our house, hoping to have it on the market by the end of the summer. And so extra stuff right now is not something I'm looking for. But I said, you know what? I got a really cute idea. I'm going to put together this basket and then we can add one of the grocery store gift cards that we got to it. And it'll be a nice little fun theme. So the first item I have is this basket. Now I am cheating a little bit because I do have some tissue wrap in here. But it is tissue wrap that I've had. And I want to put this basket together for you. So we're not going to count the tissue wrap as one of my 10. Okay, so what is part of my 10? We have some popcorn, some Boom Chicka Pop white cheddar popcorn. We have some candy storage boxes shaped like popsicles. I have 2 adorable drink containers. So look at this, the straw is right in here, and this is silicone, but the straw is a hard plastic. And then inside, look, it even does this little shape here, so you get all of your drink. I thought, how cute is that? And then this one I also thought was pretty adorable. And there's your little, and you wear it like a camera, and you put your drink in there. Then I thought this was just kind of cute to pop in there. And for drinks, we have this Weiler's Light strawberry lemonade. So they could put that in there. We probably have some bottles of water too. We could pop in there at work. And then some candy. So I'm counting these 2 as 1, just because I'm cheating. That's the only reason why. But just some M&Ms and Skittles, just to put in that little candy container. And then we have 2 different drink pouches. I thought these were super fun. So this is a ready-to-drink mocktail, strawberry margarita, so no alcohol in it. And then this is by Tampico. It's a slushy Island Punch. So both of these, what you're going to do is you're going to put them in the freezer, and then they become slushies. And so you can put them in those drink cups, or you can just drink them right out of here. Most people just drink them out of here. But I thought, you know, went cute with the whole idea. All right, so there it is, all put together, and there will be a gift card to a local grocery store that was donated. So what do you guys think? On a scale of 0 to 10, being 0, I hate it, I wouldn't want it, 10 being, oh my God, if somebody gave that to me, I'd really love that. Let me know how I did with making this gift basket for our Employee Appreciation Week. Again, there is also going to be a gift card in there, and speaking of gift cards, if you are the winner of my give back, you will get a $20 gift card for Dollar Tree. Usually I do 15, but it's the 5th anniversary, so $20 gift card will be yours if you are my winner for my subscriber gift back. All right, check out all the other ladies. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.